In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks and due dates in Basecamp. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your Basecamp account the way you normally do and head straight to the project you're working on. This might be a client project, an internal initiative, or anything your team is collaborating on. The key is to make sure you're inside the right project space before you start adding or editing tasks, so you don't accidentally organize work in the wrong place. Once you're inside that project, look for the To-Dos section. This is where Basecamp keeps all of your task lists. Go ahead and click on To-Dos, and you'll see any existing lists and tasks that have already been created for that project. Now you can either add a brand new task or work with one that already exists. To create a new one, click the Add a To-Do button. A small form will open where you can name the task and adjust its details. If you want to update an existing task instead, simply find it in the list and click on it to open the task details. Inside the task details, you'll see a field labeled Assigned To. This is where you tell Basecamp who is responsible for the work. Click into that field and start typing the name of the team member you want to assign it to. Basecamp will automatically suggest people who are part of the project. When you see the correct person, click their name to assign the task to them. Next, you'll want to set a due date so everyone knows when the work needs to be completed. Look for the Due On field. Click it, and a calendar will pop up. From here, choose the date that makes the most sense for your schedule and your team. This helps keep timelines clear and avoids last-minute surprises. Before you save, it's a good idea to add a bit more detail. In the description area, write clear instructions about what needs to be done, any important links or files they should know about, and what done actually looks like. You can also choose who should be notified when the task is marked complete, such as a project lead or manager. If this is something that repeats regularly, like a weekly report, set it to repeat so Basecamp will automatically recreate the task on the schedule you choose. When everything looks right, click Save or Post. Your task is now assigned, scheduled, and ready for your team to act on.